If you are looking on a way to change your iPhone location or access to geo-blocked websites or to change location in games, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fake your iPhone's location without jailbreak and without moving anywhere. So if you are asking why I need to change my location or is it important to change my location, well, changing the locations these days becomes important for many people because they want to protect their privacy or to access blocked websites or for some security reasons. So if you want to change the GPS location on your iPhone or Android with just one click, then I have the right solution for you. I introduce to you PoKeep Location Changer, which is the only tool that you need. PoKeep is a tool that makes it super easy to fake your iPhone location, and it's a safer way to teleport to anywhere. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to use PoKeep Location Changer. First, go to the official website of PoKeep Location Changer, and as you see, this is the software. PoKeep is fully compatible with iOS 26 and Android 16, and it's a safer way to teleport to anywhere. With this software, you can mock iOS location or fake GPS on Android without jailbreak or root, change location on iPhone or Android to anywhere with one click, spoof Pokemon Go, Sound Map, Monster Hunter Now, and other location-based games easily, use the GPS joystick to simulate realistic movement for gaming, stop apps tracking or spoof Find My iPhone to protect your location privacy, bypass geo restrictions to access region-locked content, and more. If you scroll down here, you can see more of the software features. With this tool, you can take control of your GPS so you can go anywhere with one click. If you are a Pokemon Go player or you play location-based games, this tool is for you. The software offers 4 virtual movement modes, from joystick to 2-spot movement to multi-spot movement to jump teleport mode. So you have full control with these modes. PoKeep Location Changer has many amazing features, so let's go ahead and download it. The software supports Windows and Mac OS. Since I'm using Mac OS, so I will download Mac OS version. The software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After downloading it, just go ahead and open the file to install the software. Now just move it to Apps folder. Once installed, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software and this is the main interface. I will use screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac. Okay, this is my iPhone. I will open Maps on my iPhone. And as you see, this is my current location. Go ahead and click Start. Go ahead and connect your iOS device to your Mac. I will connect my device. And as you see, my device is now connected. You can also connect your iPhone via Wi-Fi without USB cable. But for best experience, I recommend you to use USB cable. Hit Next. Here, select which mode you want to use. I will select general mode. The software now will show you your current location. Okay, at the top right here, you can select which feature you want to use. So first, let's start with teleport mode. I will use teleport mode to change my location. To change your location, just select the location you want on the map. I will select this location. Then click Start Modifying. Once I click Start Modifying, the location will change immediately, as you will see. And boom, as you see, the location has been changed. It's that simple. I will change it again. So let's select this location. Okay, changed immediately. I will change it to another place. I will select this one. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy to use. You can change it as many times as you want. It's fast and smooth. Alright, let's try 2-spot mode. With 2-spot mode, you can customize the start and end point and let the device's GPS location move along the route generated by the system at a specific speed. Once you select the route you want, you can from here change specific things like speed and times. You can change it from walking to bicycle to motorcycle or car. Once done, click Plan Route, and as you see, it will start moving from A to B, and that's it. With multi-spot mode, you can let the device's GPS location move along the customized route at a specific speed. With this feature, you can plan a route by selecting multiple spots on the map, then the location of your device will move as you like at different simulated speeds. You can select many places as you want. Once started, it will start moving from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. Of course, you can change the speed to your liking. It will keep moving until the route completed. With jump teleport mode, you can customize the jumping teleportation route and instantly move to multiple designated locations in sequence. It's a good way to jump to other locations without actually moving. It allows you to select a location on the map and jump directly to this place without moving. And finally, with joystick mode, it allows you to freely mock location direction when playing games using GPS joystick or keyboard to control GPS movement direction. You can freely change the location direction easily from here. This is really useful in some games. You can use the virtual joystick to control the GPS movement and control the virtual location of your device. It's one of my favorite features. The software also allows you to share your virtual location, prevent apps from tracking your real location. Here you have some useful options like device management. You can add more devices here. From here you can quickly access to favorite locations and see location history. This option will allow you to import GPX file. This option allows you to find your current location, and this option will reset and restore the real location. So this is all the software features. Final thoughts, PoKeep Location Changer software is a really good software and it's easy to use. With this tool, you can safely change location on Pokemon Go to catch eggs and catch rare Pokemon without moving. It also supports Monster Hunter and other location-based games. The software also protects your digital privacy by hiding your real coordinates and easily fake location to stop tracking apps and social media platforms from knowing your exact location. I've been using PoKeep for weeks now and haven't had a single ban. So with all of these features, I would recommend you to download it and give it a try. Make sure to download it from the download link below this video. You can download it for free and try it for free. Also make sure to use the discount code in the description below this video. All the links below the video. So guys, this is our video for today. Like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching and peace.